Hello, math learners. It is hard to believe we're at week 7.5, but here we are. This is our final week for our college algebra course. This week, we're going to be talking about correlation, which is a way for us to explore relationships between variables. It helps us make predictions that are based on data. And again, just like what we've been doing throughout the course, using correlation allows us to analyze and solve real-world problems. So, when we're talking about correlation, here are some examples. We may be thinking about the amount of time we're spending exercising and versus rates of obesity. Are they related? So, sometimes as we're doing more of one, we're going to see the other one either go in the same direction or going down. Or in this case, we are expecting the more we are adding regular exercise, physical exercise to our lifestyle, usually the lower the rates of obesity would be happening, especially when we're looking at it from a population size. Also, we could be thinking about heart disease and blood pressure. So this would be an example where you have two variables that could be going up at the same time. So usually as someone's blood pressure is going up, maybe the risk of heart disease might be going up. And these are just some of the things we could be thinking about. Are they related or not? Smoking and cancer rates. So this is another two variables that we could be just looking at. Are they related? So as one is going up, is the other one going up, or is the other one going down, or is nothing happening? And then another relationship to look at is, for example, the number of hours that is spent studying. And then we just compare that to the average GPA. So if someone is increasing the number of hours they are studying, does their GPA usually tend to go up or down? So these are some questions that correlation can help us answer. So this week, then, you're going to be looking at any assignment on Alex. You're going to be doing the reading, the homework, and the quizzes. This is going to be the final week for just having any discussion, but just even though it's a short week, just make sure you are sticking to those guidelines and that you are replying to the post of your classmates. I have added a supplemental resource there. This is another great video. It's a TED Talk on correlation not being causation. So one of the biggest pitfalls with this topic is some people may think just because two things are correlated, that maybe one is causing the other. And we have to be very careful. Just because two variables are correlated does not mean one is causing the other. And this video is going to show us through examples. And then the portfolio project reflection. Remember, we are done with the portfolio. Last week you have submitted it. This week you're just going to engage in a reflection. And that's it. We don't have really anything else to add other than that portfolio reflection. And then normally for the other weeks, I would tell you what to preview, but it's going to be good now. Goodbye for now, because this is a wrap. This was our last week. It was a pleasure leading you through this learning journey. And I really look forward to either seeing you on another class or maybe just hearing about what's next for you and what's happening with you and your learning journey. All right. Thank you. And bye bye for now.